Welcome back to a new card making video. Today I'm using Brushos instead of normal stamping ink. I'm mixing Brusho powders with water and use them with a brush to apply them to my stamp. I'm using watercolor paper. I let the paint dry before I go in with the turquoise. I stop adding color when I'm happy with the result. When the feather is dry, I go in with a black fine liner and add some sketch lines. I am adding some gold paint with the Aztec Metallic Paints from Colourcraft. My card is finished. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Here is the finished card. I hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice weekend. Bye!